Come on in, come on in. Hey guys, I am Geraldine of This Diva Can Cook Too. And this Friday, we are doing a Freaky Food Friday. Yes guys, we are doing a one skillet meal. We are getting down and dirty. Now get your mind out the gutter. We're going to be doing a chicken and dirty rice. Yes, okay? So guys, if you want to get down and dirty, you know what to do. Just follow me. Okay, so now I have my chicken all washed and dried. And now we're going to season it. Okay, so I have my rice going over there, have my skillet heating up here. So you want to have a preheated skillet. Now I'm just going to add my meat here. And all of my veggies that I cut up here. And we're going to let this cook until it's soft, but not really, really soft. It really should have a nice, still bite to it. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so our veggies and our sausage are done. And we're going to remove that. Okay, now let's go ahead and add our chicken. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove our chicken. It's brown on both sides. You can throw your garlic in right now if you want. Okay, now we're going to throw our vegetables back in. And at this time, you can be preheating your oven. And also, we're going to throw some of that parboiled rice in there. Now we're going to add some of our chicken broth. Garlic paste and our bouillon cube. Okay. Get that all stirred up in there together. Then we can add our chicken back in. Now we're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. We'll be back when it's done. So here it is in the oven. Looking good.